While we sold EML Payments at 28% profit, just under $1 this week, if our target BGS20 was at $1.20. We're going to be sharing with you the reasons in our strategy moving forwards with EML. Also, ZIP's prone for another rally, a potential breakout of the current resistance level at $3.50. If you've been following us long enough, you know that we are currently holding ZIP as we bought a couple of months ago at $3 at the breakout confirmation, and we still believe BGS20 target will be achieved. I'm going to be disclosing with you our BGS20 target for ZIP only in this video. So stick with us and let's have a look. Hi, my name is Les. I'm Chief Analyst of BG Trading in Australia. Today is December 5, 2024, and we're going to be looking at those two stocks. I want to remind you before we start this video that this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we trade stocks using BGS20 strategy together with our VP members to chase 20 to 40% profit within a lead time of 1 to 3 months. Mostly small and mid-sized caps, but sometimes we do trade large caps if we can find a swing trade, a range that can fit into our threshold profitability for BGS20 strategy, which is once again 20 to 40%. I also wanted to say thank you for all the support during Black Friday. We closed a lot of deals with new VIP members, and we are really looking forward and really excited to move forward towards now within the next 12 months to make great trades together with our new VIP members. If you have missed out on Black Friday, we have something special coming in Christmas. So Christmas offer will be online within the next few days. So stick with us, get on board on our Facebook community, which we call Buy, Grow and Sell Strategy for Share Traders, to get access to these excellent opportunities right there. Also, you can find our latest results. So as I say, like we close our position in EML Payments at 28% profit, which I'm going to explore right now in this first section of this video. So let's have a look at EML Payments. So I'm going to be opening. There is a video just a couple of weeks ago about EML Payments. So I'm going to be disclosing here on the chart formation. If you're looking at using our strategy BGS20 to take trades, so we normally use Heikenach as an indicator of momentum. Okay, clears up any potential disruptive daily movement into the chart, and gives you exactly what the stock momentum is about. And as you can see here on EML Payments, we have this deceleration of momentum right here when EML reached to $1. So obviously went up to 103 and then came down to 97. So it's fair to say there is accumulation phase here, and potentially will break out through this $1 resistance, and then once it breaks out to $1 resistance, that will potentially reaching our BGS20 target, which for us now it's relevant. We have targets right there at $1.20. And I'm going to share why it's irrelevant for us now. First of all, because we managed to lock $21,000 profit in 3 weeks. using our strategy with EML Payments. And even though it says 28%, we have been averaging up the stock. We actually bought at 67 cents. And when we bought at 67 cents, the stock was 67 cents. If we going to look into the full percentage, it's over 40%. It actually would be 49%. But because we increased our position remarkably upon the latest AGM update, so we decided to mitigate the risk. We did a far higher profit than we wanted to originally with our position was going to do, and then for that reason we decided to lock in this $21,500 profit. Not only that, but the reason is because we wanted to mitigate, we want to lock in the profit. It was a great profit, $21,000. That is not a brainer. And I'm also, there is a strong chance, I'm not saying that's going to happen, that there is a strong chance the EML will close this gap if we put back the candles into a candle chart. There's a great chance that we might see closing this gap here. Back into this what we call this support level here at the level point B, and if that happens, we're just gonna buy again. That would be just under 90 cents. Are we 86 cents? 86 cents. In other words, saying if EML goes down to 86 cents again, most likely we're going to be buying again, and then obviously within a smaller position, we're going to be pursuing this 35% profit once again at a BGS20 target, which was our original target. Here at BG Trading, we do change our strategy according to our moves. If we average up and we reach our dollar profit target before the percentage profit, which is to liquidate the position, lock in and wait for a more secure or safer re-entry to attempt a second trade. Okay, so obviously now EML is trading a little bit at the former levels for what has been trading over the last few, pretty much over the last 8 months. But once again, there are a strong chance that we'll reach BGS20 target anyway, but also a chance in the short term that we'll see EML retracing back under 90 cents, and that's when I want to snap few more, once again, shares of EML for the next trade. So this is exclusive for this video, sharing my completely thoughts on EML. The company, again, it continues to improve, and we think it is far more positive now than it was with the controlled cash burn that we have seen into this last AGM update. Again, I have a video about EML explaining the whole situation of EML over the last 2 years, just here in the channel, just a week ago. Just take a look. And if you want to get involved into EML Payments, again, this is not an investment strategy. It is always trading for us. And you have just to be aware that for us, BGS20 and BG Trading, stock market's all about trading. It's never about investing. We don't invest in the stock market. We trade and we invest in real estate. That's what we do with our money for the long term. Now, let's jump in Zip now. Also, I have a video about Zip 2 weeks ago, probably about a month ago. Yeah, pretty much a month ago in this channel, and where I explored the reality when Zip has broken its $3 resistance level, and then say with the confirmation that Zip was broken the $3 resistance level, which came right here, then was very likely that we reach new highs with similar length of this $2.50 towards $3. we will be looking at a ZIP reaching just as high between $3.50 and $4. In fact, I'm going to share this with you as well, right here, exclusive in this channel, is that our BGS 20 target, the next BGS 20 target for ZIP is just, we bought at $3, so let's check exactly when we bought it. At $3, and our BGS 20 target is at just under $4 at 32% profit. If that is confirmed, once again we're going to be selling ZIP, and we are going to be locking our position and potentially buying back at lower levels if obviously we see a retracement. Obviously, ZIP could go keep going further. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but the reality is ZIP is ZIP's fundamentals is directly tied into interest rates, and because ZIP's highly rely on interest rates, that's the biggest cost. The interest they pay for the warehouse funding. If Fed cuts rates once again, which the market's tipping for 25 basis points for December, if Fed cuts rates again, then most likely we will see ZIP reaching our BGS 20 target and even potentially going beyond that. It has been a slow mover, which is good. That's very unusual movement for ZIP. So I can say this since June this year, ZIP has completely changed its trading behavior, continues to reach multiple higher lows and higher highs, which enhances the fact that ZIP has most of its probability to keep moving up. In fact, if you look at our post yesterday, which we did for our members, there is 70% chance of upside movement in ZIP according to this chart formation, and the downside movement is only 30%. Also want to highlight the fact that Larry Diamond, which is the co-founder of ZIP, has stepped back from the company, and that has spooked the market yesterday, but before yesterday, but the market starts sort of realizing that there wouldn't have any fundamental impact on the company, and bought back, and then now is once again trying to break into this so-called resistance level right there. Might take a few days. And ideally, don't be fooled by just a intraday breakout. It could go to $3.60 and close below $3.50 again. So if they happen, it's still not a confirmation. As I have posted a video about a breakout confirmation, so we really want a one-day breaking out and the second day to remain above this resistance level, and that is when the resistance will be consolidated into what we call support, and then it is a free ride for the next level, which is not the case right there yet. So we have to wait patiently. Would I be buying ZIP right now? No, I wouldn't. The time to buy ZIP was at the last breakout. There was a strong resistance at $3. So this is a mid-range between the trades. So we up about 15%. So I just would be careful. If you're going to jump in now, it's a little bit too late, I would say. But if you're holding, I would say just keep holding. We most likely will see a breakout and we'll reach our BGS 20 target. Obviously, there's no guarantees in the market, but this is what we believe based on the fundamentals and the technical formation and the macroeconomic outlook, especially if Fed does cut rates in December. So that wraps up our video for today. Thank you very much for watching. Let us know what you think about both stocks. If you agree with us, the fact we sold and we believe we could see a retracement in EML. Let us know if you think ZIP will break out and going to move towards $4. Yes, just be free to put your comments. We'll be answering all of them. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.